My answer is a resounding yes, especially because I think any proactive move you're making to secure your home is worth it. But if you're budget conscious, SimpliSafe is worth even more. SimpliSafe is our top budget pick on our list of the best home security systems. And they make it really easy to afford a home security upgrade. Equipment packages range from around $250 to $500, or you can build a customized package starting at around $200. And that will include the base station and keypad. They also like to throw in a lot of extras, like a free security cam with every package. And even though SimpliSafe's monthly monitoring prices have risen from their OG price of about $10 per month, putting SimpliSafe on guard at your home costs less than $350 a year. And that's for their top-tier interactive monitoring plan. When you consider that the average financial loss from a burglary is around $2,700, SimpliSafe's 24/7 protection for under $350 a year is well worth it. In our opinion, SimpliSafe's biggest downside is its, simplicity. SimpliSafe provides home security basics and isn't designed to be part of a smart home ecosystem. So if you've got to have the latest and greatest tech, you might outgrow SimpliSafe before you know it. That said, if you're a first-time security system buyer looking to get the hang of a simple system, SimpliSafe is a great choice. The big thing to remember when considering SimpliSafe versus the competition is that SimpliSafe is simple, and that's definitely by choice, since SimpliSafe wants to keep everything low cost and effortless to install, use, and troubleshoot. So while you can't connect a ton of different third-party gadgets, and its outdoor camera won't squawk at trespassers, SimpliSafe arms your home with sensors galore, offers renter-friendly security, supports self-monitoring, and doesn't punish you with cancellation fees.